Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a really nice knitting pattern. This is really easy to follow, and for the pattern we need to have multiple of 13 plus 1 plus 2 for edge, but it's up to you. If you want to have more edge, you can add extra for the edge. What we have to do for the setup row, what I'm doing, just we are going to pull all the stitches. This one consider as a maybe row 1, just pull all the stitch, or you can start by any kind of rib you like, but I'm going to do all the stitches and I'll be back. Okay, for row 1, what we have to do, we are going to take the first one as an edge, then we knit the first stitches, then yarn over and knit 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, like this. Then we make yarn over, knit 1. Then we do it with the rest for 12. Yarn over and knit 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. As you can see here, I have one extra like the one in the beginning. I'm going to make a yarn over, knit 1, and the last one as a edge. This is the end of row 1. For row 2, what we have to do, we are going to pull all stitches, even the one we made, we have to make it the big one to be visible. Then we pull all stitches until the end of the row. I'll do that and I'll be back. Row 3, we take the first one as the edge, we knit the second one. As you can see here, we have to also knit that one. It means we are going to knit 2. Then yarn over and we knit 12 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. When it comes to the middle like this, it's time to yarn over, knit 3, yarn over. It means that we start with 1, the last row we had 3, now we are going to have 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then we start by knit 12 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Like the one in the beginning, we have 2 stitches. We are going to yarn over and knit these 2 like that. Row 4, as I told you, like row 2, we are going to pull all the stitches like that. We pull all stitches and I'll be back. Row 5, what we have to do, take the first one. As you can see here, before the yarn over, I have 3 stitches. It means I'm going to knit 3 stitches. Then yarn over and repeat by make 12 knitting. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. As you can see here, we are in the middle. We are going to yarn over and knit 5. 1 2 3 4 5, like this. Then yarn over and repeat. And 12. It comes to that part. We are going to yarn over and knit these 3 and the last one as an edge. The only difference in this pattern is row 6. In row 6 really is important what we have to do. We are going to take the first one as an edge, pull the second one, then we are going to yarn over, pull 1, yarn over, pull 1, yarn over, this one, pull, yarn over. When it comes to these 12, as you can see here, we are going to take the yarn at the back side and knit together, then yarn over, again knit together, yarn over, knit together, yarn over. Repeat until the end of these 12 stitches. Knit together, yarn over, knit together, yarn over. As you can see here, you are going to have group of 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are in the middle. We repeat like the one we made in the beginning. Pull 1, yarn over, pull 1, yarn over, pull 1, yarn over, and we do it like this until the end of this stitches, yarn over, pull 1, yarn over. Now we are again in these 12. We are going to take the yarn the other side, knit stitches together, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, and repeat. As you can see, in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, you are going to pull and then yarn over. Only these 12 groups you are going to knit together and yarn over. So you are here again, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, and the last one as a edge. This is the end of row 6. Row 7. What we have to do, we are going to take the first one, then the stitches we already had yarn over, we are going to leave it and then just take that stitches and knit. Repeat. Take that one out, take it like this and then knit. Again, knit. We repeat that one until the end of the row. It means you are going to take it out, scratch it like this and then knit it again. Row 7. We are going to do this until the end of the row. Like this. I'll do that and I'll be back. In row 8, what we have to do, we are going like row 2 and 4. What we have to do, we are going to just pull all stitches, just normal one. And this pattern is going to be repetition of row 1 to row 8. And as you can see here, this is really easy structure, but there's a nice pattern. You can use it for any kind of project, for cardigans, for a scarf, for even blanket, and you can use any kind of yarn you like. The pattern, as I told you, is going to be repeat row 1 to row 8. After few repeats, you can see here, because my yarn is different here, but you can see the pattern should look like that. This is really nice and easy to follow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.